Hello guys, welcome back again Java Python Interview Hub, your learning partner for QA interviews. So our today's question is the one of the important, what is a test scenario? So a test scenario is a high level idea of what to test. It describes functionality without detailed steps. So the example is what? Verify login with valid credentials. What will be the focus? Focus is on end-to-end functionality. What is the purpose? Helps in planning broad testing coverage. And what is the scope? Then one scenario can have multiple test cases. So guys, keep learning QA concepts. Subscribe to Java Python Interview Hub for the daily updates. Thank you very much guys.